how to add sounds like this.
Jesus! Jesus. God have mercy upon us. I don't want peace. I want problems always. Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
Okay, so this is how to add sounds like that, like this to your videos using TikTok as your editing console. When I mean editing console, I mean where you edit the video and add the sound. So this is how to add sounds to your videos using TikTok app.
Open TikTok app. Click the plus icon. Tap here to record a new video. Tap here to upload a video for editing. Select video. Next, select the edit feature. Scroll to the section you want to add sound. Select the sound icon. Select add sound. Select the search option. Type the name of the sound you want to add. Use this feature to add the sound. Use this feature to edit the length of the sound. Use this feature to replace the sound. Use this feature to reduce or increase volume of the sound. Use this feature to delete sound. Click Next to post edited video.